Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're oldie, you're welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how I wash my pot. If you have a pot that looks like mine, I'm sure you have a pot that looks like mine. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see how I clean this pot using this magic sponge. This sponge is a magic eraser that instantly removes stain without detergent. As you can see, I'm using it without using any soap at all, just dry, and it's still able to take out the stain. The magic sponge is extremely good. It's a good stain remover, and it will remove every burn part of your pot. The sponge is contained of a powerful carborudum, and it's called malanine. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use soap. You can also use soap put on the sponge and you scrub it like you see me doing. I added a little bit of soap and water and I scrub it a little bit, and it takes out the stain faster when you add a little bit of soap and wet the sponge. So I really like this sponge and I wanted to share with you guys so that if you have a pot that looks like mine, please go ahead and clean your pot using this sponge, and it only costs about $1 for 5 of this sponge, and it will bring your pot shining bright like mine, as you can see, just by rubbing it with the sponge. Add a little bit of more water and rinse. I think the sponge is really good, so if you want to try this, please check the link below for more details on how you can buy this sponge just for $1 for 5. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'm just gonna rinse my pot, and voila, and it looks all nice and clean. I'm also going to go ahead and wash the inside part of the pot because it's also dirty. You can also use the sponge to wash the inside of the pot. As you can see, the pot is very nice and clean, and yeah, very bright and clean. Well, I wasn't able to get out all the little dark spot on the pot, but I was very satisfied with the results. So look at the inside, guys. If your pot is burned like mine, go ahead and use this sponge and you see the magic. Just look at how that sponge is gonna make the magic right now. Look at that, just by scrubbing just a little bit, not pressing it too hard, and voila, the magic sponge cleaned my pot and it looks so shiny, and I'm loving this sponge. So go ahead, check on the description below, guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to buy this sponge, check the description below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys, bye. Keep your pots clean.